5.3. It was a running 5.3. I just went through it, cleaned it up. Put that big.
Oh, and you fixed the shifter too.
Yeah, I got my fixer.